Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to talk about top 7 AI tools for designers. Myself Mohammed Zubair and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, in this particular video, I'll talk to you about 7 such tools that are free and are very powerful and you can use up to very high extent to further enhance your art and your designing skills. There are many other, but most of them are paid. So I'll keep my focus on those tools that are free to use. So let's start with our list. Number 1. Dell.E. Well, this particular tool is from the same family that has created ChatGPT. I'm talking about OpenAI. You can see the logo in here as well. Well, this is a very powerful tool that helps you to convert your text into images. You might have used ChatGPT where it interacts with you in a conversational way. On the other hand, this tool that is called as Dell.E, it was released way before ChatGPT. Well, you just need to enter the scenario or you just need to enter your text in here and it will generate an image related to that. Not only that, you can edit your images as well. You just need to upload an image and you can edit it with this particular tool that is based on AI. If I scroll down, these are some of the models, or you can say these are some of the images, pictures, or you can say arts that have been created by this particular tool. So if you hover over to any one of these, we have the text that have been used to generate this particular image. Here it says an expressive oil painting of a basketball player dunking. So you can see that how sophisticated and how cool it looks like. Down here you have many other examples you can go through. Now I'll just show you one of the example that how you can use this particular tool. So here what I'll do, I'll write here a pencil sketch of Eiffel Tower with aesthetic theme and dark background, and let's see what do we get. After that, we just need to click on this generate button and it will generate an image based on the query that I have entered in here. And remember, this tool is for free to use. You do not have to buy any subscription. So this is the result that I have got from my query. Okay, not only that, let's try something else. This time I'll write here generate an image of an old man sitting in a garden, and let's see what do we get. And these are different images that have been generated by this AI tool. Okay, there is one thing that you need to make sure, and that is it is very necessary that you have some background with designing of different websites and designing different things. Because let's say you are trying to find something or some resource in terms of the pictures online and you are not being able to do so. But if you know that how to search or how to look for a particular thing, you can use these tools that are based on AI to generate images for you. Let's say you want to look for something that is not available on FreePic. You can ask your Dell.E to generate that particular image for you. So how cool and how easy it is. And not only that, it's a free one as well. And here you can see here I have my history of what I have done till now. This is one of the query that I asked my ChatGPT, and here it says photo of gorgeous woman in the style of Stephen Kostick. Upon entering my query, this was the result that I got. So I'm sure now that you will try this tool as well. So that was all about this one, and now let's move on to the next one. The next tool is Craiyon. Craiyon is an alternative version of Dell.E, and it is also called as alternative version of Dell.E Mini, and it is by the same developers. And it is an AI based model that again draws your images based on the text that you enter in the query bar. So here what I'll do, I'll enter my text and let's see what do we get. Create a portrait of a cat, and let's see what do we get as result. So I'll hit enter, and here you can see here it is telling us that how much the picture have been generated. So we have to wait, and it says up to 2 minutes. So approximately it will take around 2 minutes. So we have to wait for it. So let's wait for it and then we'll see what kind of result do we get. And these are the results that we have got. And some of them are good and some of them are not so good. but still we have the idea that how this particular tool works as it's a free one. Down here we have around 9 of them, and as you can see all of them are different from each other. Some of them are pretty good one. For example, this one and this one. I'll just click on this one and let's see how does it look like in bigger view. So this is how it looks like, and I think this is a better result. Okay, this was all about this free tool, and you can consider this one to use as well. And now let's move on to the next one. On number 3, we have a tool that is called as Deep Dream Generator. Well, it is one of my favorite tool as it can convert my photos into something like paintings that are generated or created by well-renowned painters. Or there are some other things that you can perform. Well, you just need to upload your pictures, choose the styles that you want to apply onto your pictures, and it will convert your pictures into paintings. And it is all done based on the AI. And now I'll show you that how does it work. Well, for the first time, you will get a credit of 35. I have already used that for once, and that is why 5 credits have been deducted from my account. After that, you have to buy credits. So let's try and let's see how does it work. So I'll just click on this generate button, and it gives you 3 options. Either you can convert your text into your images, or you can say into the paintings, or you can go for the deep style option, in which you will upload your images, and after that you need to apply the style that you want to apply onto your pictures, and that particular style will be applied onto your pictures. At the end we have Deep Dream. This particular option allows you to apply different settings onto your pictures. For example, you can have different resolution, inception depth, you can use AI enhance, and down here we have neural network. Well, neural network layer will make sure that you get the enhanced result for the picture. Let's go back and let's go for the first option that says text to dream. Well, we have already seen 2 of the forums like Dell.E and Craiyon that converts our text into images. So let's try this one as well. So I'll just write here, I'll ask the same query that I've asked from my Craiyon. So I'll write here, please generate the image, or let's write here painting. So I'll write here painting of an old man sitting in garden smoking cigar, and let's see what do we get from this particular tool. After that, down here we have different options that we can apply. In terms of AI model, you have different models that you can apply. Let's go for artistic. In terms of the ratio, I'll go for the landscape. Well, we have quality. At the moment, as I'm using the free account, that is why I can use only these options. Let's say if I want to go for high, I have to subscribe to this particular forum. So let's go for normal and let's leave everything as it is. I'll click on generate, and 5 credits will be deducted from my account. So I'll just click on generate and let's wait for the results, and then we'll see how much effective it is. Okay, this is how it looks like, and this is the result that have been generated by Deep Dream Generator. Well, we can clearly see the difference that it is more enhanced, more detailed one. The main difference is that from the Craiyon, we got more than 1 result, but here we have only 1 result, but it is very sophisticated one and a very detailed one as well. So you can use this one as well. And with that, let's move on to the 4th tool into our list, and that is Luma. Well, Luma is a tool that converts your images into a 3D object. For that, you just need to take different pictures of your object from different angles. And after that, you just need to upload those pictures onto this particular forum. And what it will do, it will convert your pictures into a 3D object that you can use or you can embed into your websites or onto any of your forums. So here we have different examples that how does it look like. I'll click on this one and let's see how does it look like. And this is how it looks like. Well, this is not a video. These are the images that have been given to this particular tool, and this tool have converted those pictures into a 3D picture, or you can say into a 3D model or a video. So just upload your pictures from different angle of your object, and this tool will convert those pictures into a 3D model, and you are good to go. Well, this is the feature that allows you to upload your pictures and then converts it into 3D object. Just click on this create new button, and from here either you can apply or either you can upload a video file, or you can upload a zip file in which you will have different images of the object that you want to have in a 3D model. So from here just select the file and click on upload, and you are good to go. and make sure that you take your pictures from different angles. So let me just click on this particular option, and here we have all the instructions that we must adhere in order to take our pictures and then upload it into this particular forum. And now I'll write a name. You can write anything for your object. I'll go with 1, 2, 3. After that, click on select. Go to the directory where you have all of your images. This is a zip file in which I have different images of a chair. So what I want to do, I want to upload all of these and I want to convert them into a 3D object. So I'll just double click on this zip file, and from here I'll just click on upload. Here it says upload started for 1, 2, 3 and it is in progress. After that, it will start processing on this one. This will take around 20 to 25 minutes to complete the process. So you have to be very patient in order to get the result. And here it says upload complete for 1, 2, 3. At the moment, it is processing all the images and then we'll get the result. So let's wait for the process to get complete and then we'll see what do we get. This is the one that I have already done, and this is the latest one, and it says pre-processing. It means it is working on it. So let's say what kind of result do we get after uploading the pictures. So I'll just click on it and it will open a new tab. Here it will show us that how our pictures will look like in a 3D object or in a 3D model. Well, you can see from here that how it will look like. Well, obviously it is not as sophisticated result as we have wanted, but still we get the idea that how it works. Well, it is obviously because of the pictures that we have taken. So make sure to take good pictures from all the angles possible, and minimum 10 pictures is the prerequisite for Luma. So make sure to take more than 10 pictures and make sure to take pictures from all the angles of your object, and you will get a 3D model of your pictures. And that was all about it, and now let's move on to the next one. On number 5, we have a website that is called as Wizard. Well, this AI-based website allows you to convert your hand-drawn sketches and images into a template that you can use for your website development and your mobile application development. Not only that, you also have a lot of templates available that you can go for. For example, if I click on templates, it will allow me to choose a template for web, tablet and mobile devices. Let's go for mobile and let's see what do we have in here. Well, in terms of mobile, many of them are free, and the one that says Pro are paid one. In case if you want to go from the scratch, go for the first option. Let's click on this one and let's say how does it look like and how we can customize it and use it. So I'll just click on it. Well, this is how it looks like, and we can customize it as per our liking. So here we have different elements that are being used into our template. Here we have a text box, down here we have image, and here we have again a text field. Okay, in case if you want to customize it, you can do so as well. For example, I want to remove this search button from here. Just click on it and click on delete. And in case if you want to add something else in here, just go to your images section and from here choose the one that are already available, or you can also upload from your machine as well. Just click on my computer and from here click on this upload button and go to the directory where you have your images available and you want to upload them. I have selected one and it has been uploaded, and now I'll just select this one and I'll drag it in here. Let me resize this one and I can place it anywhere onto my website or onto my mobile application. So this is how it works. Not only that, you can customize all the design that you see in here as per your liking. So how cool and how easy it is that you do not even have to write a single line of code and you can directly customize the template for your use. So I hope now that you will consider this website as well for the designing purposes. And that was all about this one, and now let's move on to the next one. On number 6, we have Khroma. Well, let's say you want to generate a personalized list of color combination, and this website allows you to do that. First of all, you just need to choose 50 colors on the Khroma website and you can view them in different perspectives. For example, you can view them in gradient, palettes, typography and image as well. So first of all, just click on this generate button after getting on to this website, and I have already selected my 50 colors. After that, here you have different options that you can use and saw these colors. For example, in terms of type, posters. After that, you have gradient option, and then you can see all your selected colors in terms of images, and not only that, you can also see them as palettes. Just click on any one of these, click on the detail section of this, and here you have all the detail about which colors have been used to generate this particular image or palette or gradient. If you go to its settings section, you can change the chromatic gradient. You can choose different other things from here as well, and you can download the Khroma data that you have customized for you. So basically I have selected my 50 colors that I wanted to have, and on the basis of those 50 colors I have all the output in here, and this is how it looks like. And now if I talk about its different feature, well, it allows you to have color search option that you can do that from here. It also allows you to have infinite combination and viewing option. You can have search and filter, personalized algorithm, and you have unlimited favorite library. So how cool and how sophisticated it is. And with that, let's move on to the last tool for this particular video, and that is called as Let's Enhance. And I'll just search for that as Let's Enhance into my system. Well, this tool can be used for the outputs that you get from the other tools that I have mentioned in this particular video. For example, you got an image from the Dell.E, then you have Craiyon, and we also saw Deep Tree Generator. So let's say the quality, or you can say the pixels, are not good of the images that have been generated from those platforms. What you can do, you can use this particular platform to further enhance those images. And not only that, if you have any picture and any image available to you locally, you can enhance that one as well. This AI powered tool can improve your images and you can zoom them without making them pixelated. And obviously it will help you to create powerful visuals for your online stores and your online forums as well. If I talk about its main three features or filters, well, it has anti-JPEG filter that can remove JPEG artifacts, and then it converts your images into PNG format. And then we have the boring filter that will upscale your images 4 times without distorting any detail. And the last magic feature is the magic filter lets you add necessary details to your images as well. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll click on this browse button and I'll upload an image. So I'll choose this one, and from here I can choose different filters, or you can say different customization that I can apply. In terms of enhancement, I'll go for smart enhancement. In terms of size, I'll go for auto. In terms of light AI, I'll go for 100% intensity. Then for the tone enhancement, I'll go for 100% again as well. Down here we have color enhancement. I'll go for 100% again. After that, I just need to click on the start processing button and it will start the process to enhance my image. As you can see, it says processing. Let it get complete, and after that I'll download this image and then I'll compare it with the original one and we'll see how much difference do we have as a result. We are done here. I'll just click on this one and now it will download it. Let's open this one. This is the result that we have from Let's Enhance forum. Now let me compare it with the original one. Here you can see this was the original one and you can see the size, and you can also see the color enhancement and the intensity in here. But in this one we have much clear intensity, color combination, and we have more detailed image in here. So this is the difference between both of these. And these were 7 things, or you can say these were 7 tools that are based on AI that you can consider if you are a designer. At the end, I want to talk to you about 2 more tools that are really necessary. The first one in my list is FontJoy. Well, this is a simple web tool that uses the machine learning in order to help you to select different and perfect font combination. What you need to do, you just need to set the contrast between fonts and it will range from very similar to widely different. So here you can see we have 3 options. I'll just click on the first one and it will give me the list of all the fonts that are available. Here you can see I have all the fonts available and I can choose any one of them. I'll select the Overpass 700 for the first one, and what I'll do, for the second one I'll select another one. So I'll just click on this icon and I'll select this one for the second, and for the last one again I'll click on this gear icon, or you can say this option, and from here I'll select another font. So you can select any font as per your liking and it will give you the combination of fonts that you can use. So you can see this is how it will look like. At top, if you hover over it, it says list of recommended pairings for the title font. So just click on it and you will have the list of fonts. Other than that, here you have the contrast bar that you can go. At the moment it is balanced. If you go to the left side, now we have high contrast, and on the right side it says very similar. It means there will not be a lot of difference between the font's design. And that was all about this one, and let's move on to the last tool for this video, and that is ChatGPT. Well, you might have heard about this particular tool, and it is also from the OpenAI. Well, you might be wondering that what use this tool have for the designers. Well, let's say you have designed your content, or let's say you have designed your forums, your blogs, or your website, but you do not know what kind of content you should put in it. For that purpose, ChatGPT comes and helps you. So for example, let's say I have a home page and I want to have the content in it. So I'll write here, please give me the content for the home page of the website that sells sports goods. After that, just hit enter. It will give you the content that you can copy from here, and you can use this content into your website, your forum, or your applications that you have designed. So this will help you, or you can say this will assist you in performing your task with respect to your designs. So I'm sure now that you will consider this tool as well. And that was all about this particular video, and I hope now that you must have liked and learned a lot of new things by watching this one. If that is the case, please leave a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. I'll get back to you in the next video. Till then, take care.